Hey everyone, it's Stuart here, and welcome to today's video where we are going to show you how you can find exactly what you are looking for in the Facebook Ads Manager. Just before we get started though, don't forget to hit that like button down below if you find anything in this video useful. And with that out the way, let's get going. So we're here in the Facebook Ads Manager, and to find exactly what you're looking for, we need to navigate over to the left-hand menu bar. We do that by simply hovering our mouse over to the left until we see the icons here, and this will then bring out the left-hand menu bar. We want to select all tools, and this is then going to allow you to find all of the different things that you can access here in the Facebook Ads Manager. For example, you can access your billing and payments. So if you need to set up a new credit card or payment method in order to pay for your ads, you can go to this location. If you want to change the overall business settings, so for example, the people who have access to the advertising account, the accounts and the pages and the pixels that are in there, that's your place to go. For the events manager, that is basically the tracking for conversion based events. So that might be leads, sales, add to carts, website views, people that have made it to a thank you page, and so on. You have your media library, and that allows you to bulk upload videos and photos into the ads manager at one time. And if we come down to the advertise section, we can see what our advertising limits are. There is also the chance to create new audiences. So if you don't want to just set up audiences in your ad campaign, you can go to the audiences section and set up campaigns there. We can also analyze and look at reports by going to the ads reporting section. We can get audience insights into who's been viewing and engaging with our ads, as well as looking at overall insights, which is quite cool. And there's a secret little trip down to the sound collection. So if you're wanting to add sounds to your ads, you can go to the sound collection, source out what you're looking for, and go there. And finally, there's the Commerce Manager. So if you are selling products with Facebook ads, going to the Commerce Manager will allow you to check and make sure that all the products that you want to sell are there. And if you want to add some, just click on that and you can go there. So that's a quick overview. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing Facebook and Instagram marketing tutorials and tips. We post new videos every single week. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.